This video is long overdue. I'm walking you step by step on how I wash my hair for my twist outs and what I use on my twist outs. Everyone at school is always so nice and they're always talking like, oh, your hair is so cute, your hair is so nice. And people message me all the time like, oh my gosh, girl, what do you do to your hair? Boom, I'm here. I'm giving you all the tips. I'm letting you know what I do. All right, so let's get started. So now that my hair is freshly washed, it's still dripping wet. This is what I use to dry my hair. It's a microfiber towel. Boom, boom. My head is too big to fully wear it the way you're supposed to do it. You see, I mean, it kind of work. Oh, this must be the new one I got. The last one didn't fit. Oh, boom. Period. Just like that. This is better than any towel that you could use on your hair because a towel is so rough, and if you're pulling and yanking on your hair, you are damaging your hair. So I just parted down the middle of my hair, space bun. Oh, that is so cute. I wish I could get my space buns to be so effortlessly perfect when I do it for actual styling, but it don't work. I know y'all know what I'm talking about when you try to do like a messy bun, but you intending to do it and it don't look right. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna use my Carol's Daughter oil. I'm gonna get close and personal, because everybody keeps trying to ask me how I do this. I need y'all to focus. Focus in now, okay? It just smells so good. Ignore the hair that's in there. This is the consistency of it. I'm like up, down, out the bed, up, down. I just don't feel like it's close enough. You guys are close enough. Like, and this stuff smells so good. It smells like cake batter. Curl Maker by Camille Rose. This is really good for wash and goes. Like, it's the holy grail for my wash and goes. Super moisturizing. Oh my gosh, I love her stuff. Last but not least, I use Moisture Milk. Now, honestly, I don't have to use all 3 products, but I love all of her products and I just love using them. For my twists, I do 2-strand twists. I haven't tried to do a 3-strand twist. I'll get there one day. Let's see, which way do I want my twist to go? This way. So this is what I'm doing. I'm grabbing all this here. And I'm being really neat with this, okay? Like, when you rush your twists look rushed, okay? And as I get to those ends, oh, look at that slip.
Am I in your video?
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Look at that, look at that. My black is beautiful. Oh yes, this Swiss all the time came out so good. I'm so glad I was patient and let it dry completely. I know y'all know that pain when you take them twists out and you just know it's wet still.
She got a boyfriend.
This is the final outcome of my twist out. As you can see, it's looking good, okay? Moisturized, curls are there. The movement is there, okay? No stiff hair. Stiff hair where, okay?
Stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Oh, no what?
Stiff what?
Let me know what you think in the comments. What products do you use for your twist outs? Do your twist outs come out good? Are you struggling with your twist outs? And yeah.